eliminate open defecation and improve solid waste management and to create open defecation free villages. So, seeing all this, a girl became curious as to know what the students were doing. So she went there and started asking some questions to them. Hi students, what are you doing?
Hi, do you know the Clean India mission is going on right now?
Oh yes, I heard about it. I heard about it somewhere. So under this mission, we are cleaning our school
And making it looks good.
Great work! But don't you know that once you will clean it, people will make it dirty again. Still, they will throw away chips, biscuit packets, cans, and tree leaves.
If they keep littering, we will stop them and tell them not to spread garbage on the ground.
Then where they will throw that garbage?
They will throw that garbage in the dustbin. Green dustbin used for wet and biodegradable waste and blue dustbin used for dry and not biodegradable waste.
Well, but why are you all wearing masks and gloves?
Wearing masks and gloves while cleaning and can help prevent the spread of dust allergies and the germs and the bacteria.
But don't you feel ashamed while doing all this?
Why? Why were we essence of keeping our own country clean, our own schools, homes, roads, streets, etc.?
But many people think that this work is very small and doing it insults them.
No work is a big or a small. It is the thinking of small people.
If you use something, then it's our responsibility to keep it clean.
And our school is a temple of learning, so why we essence of keeping it clean?
We should thank to sweeper, cleaner and everyone who do this work for making our country clean. Yes, you all are right. Learning of the play. Don't litter. It will make our earth better.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful